Fa mi ysmwynhwch mi o'n biach gyfa irfiac yn fat bycan blian i chyn ag sy'n caffe alsgolwg. Fa mi fi brwyn di mocharach corin mi o'n. Sy'n siwrsych ashling of ac yn geoshack in ag fa sy'n fi gwpa cola fat yn mych blian awn yn cafes agos tehyn bi.
And eventually one day decided that maybe the way to go would be to buy a snack van.
Ac yn bias yn geoshack llanich mi y van y sio.
And just give it a go and see if it'd be possible to start to realise that dream with a snack van that would not be your average snack van.
Summer sun, in every stick as honey too. The light leaves and evening comes. Sit here beside me, darling, on this hot June day. A tumble in the summer.
Ag oscail sin y fan nyr y fa ffeis ciwl o tachars an yn brechgais agos fa siarad gyma exciting y fa sin.
We spent several weeks trying to clean the fat out of the van and clean it up and get it ready for this music festival.
Bhí an bhana seo blasta bhean a foscail chaidir sin deireadh seachcin san na chiad uair san na dúine ha tían gan féis na dúine ha campach ar a campsite seo fa an bí sin stéchte. Fai drang, yeah, bei de tían san brachgus, coffee is bekerach. Fai tordert yn cear, cwtioch reinin coffee machine spray agus tíberút mar sin.
And then the Blasta van was born. So that summer, both spent several hours a day baking and cooking and trying to get the van how we wanted it and trying to work out how to do signage and get the signage put up. And bit by bit, the Blasta van became what it is now.
Channeal mi sé ferdig in gebil choirsnach an a brechig choláitjes a bhai a cúnaam.
So I think I always thought that everybody in Breckish knew everybody else, and to realise that actually I don't even know who lives in a lot of houses anymore.
Agus ba mi hén is corin son ati cynchi a chur dói son choirsnach. Gwide has sin smynniú gobil a bhana ar bhí fémal son sin.
It's been really lovely to see people who don't normally meet up with each other but live in the same place, arriving at the van at the same time and sitting and having lunch or a coffee and cake together and chatting, people who never normally would.
Ha mi a ferdig in braste gobil get a ha mi tolletje gobil a bhana ar bhí acin. Nach chéile bula chosar a bhachol sa gúta bhí scaas gobil Torgun iawn has min hier gyda burger van hunnin. Do you do cheeseburgers? No, we don't. Smash din haid dyrf gan fi gin of nid yn hasyn ersan gin of.
Good quality food and drink because we'd always found that had helped to make us happy or comfortable.
Bishin a rich tor bacon rolls agus a sin ceart gudar ach biarlam vi gin of big haf na spalin agus. Tuchach Channeal at suya ac in tubas day, so ma haid fluch ha big dunne tîn. Ach sin mar a hai, ach son arsenioch ha mi smyn hi gyfil bo ha misio agus ar smyn hi gyfil cod yn tolis chicken dy rein sin sio. Channeal min am millionaire hast. Agus ha gymad ar ef volag o la fi fiach yn i deil y cwgdi dynne. Ach ha sin a pepper street torgunne a ha uwabas o'ch loch agus ha rydyn snok I ramion. Na ha sin a gin of agus. Yeah, ha mi smyn hi gyfil sin gin of for big.
Let the day in all its glory pass without a care. Underneath an apple tree, the air's too sweet to share.